Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Destination. Most of the students get confused in voice. That's why I have made videos on voice to clear all your doubts. Tense wise I have made all these videos, so watch till the end. In English language, you will get 12 tenses, but active passive voice is possible only with 8 tenses. So all these 8 tenses I have divided into different parts, including affirmative, negative and interrogative constructions. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Some changes are required while turning active voice to passive voice and passive voice to active voice. Let's see. First person, I becomes me in passive voice, we becomes us in passive voice. Second person, you will be the same as you in passive. Third person, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it and they becomes them in passive voice. So learn all these by heart. Let's see active passive voice with perfect participle. First, having drawn the picture, the painter went out. This is active voice. How to turn to passive, that we will see. The picture will come in the beginning, then having, then you have to add been, B-E-E-N, been, then sing, drawn, V3 form, and then you have to write the rest of the sentence. The painter went out. This way you have to turn this active voice to passive. Next, Mehul having finished the practical left the laboratory. So this is active voice. Here the practical will come in the beginning. The practical having, then you have to add been, then finished by Mehul, then he left the laboratory. Here you have to add he. This is passive voice. Let's see active passive voice in infinitive. First, I am to finish this work. This is active voice. How to turn this to passive? This work will come in the beginning. Then according to this subject, you have to use appropriate verb form or auxiliary verb. That is. This work is to, that you have to write. Then you have to add here be, because we are framing passive voice. Then V3 form. So finish, here finished. Then by, I becomes me. This is passive voice. Next, I am going to answer this question. This is active voice. So here this question, then according to this subject you have to put appropriate auxiliary verb, that is. This question is, then going to, then you have to add be, B-E-B. Then answer, here V1 form is used in active voice, so that you have to turn to V3 form in passive. So V3 form, answered. Then add by and then I becomes me. So this question is going to be answered by me. This is passive voice. Hope you learned a lot from this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning, and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.